Remember when Google teased the Zoom Enhance feature during the Pixel 8 launch in October 2023? This AI-powered tool promised to smooth out pixelation and add details when zooming in and cropping photos. It was initially slated for a future Pixel feature drop, but has been MEA through 3 Pixel drops. Good news: following the Pixel 9 series launch, Google is officially rolling out Zoom Enhance to the Pixel 8 Pro. The feature will also be available on the Pixel 9 Pro series, including the Pixel 9 Pro XL. In a blog post about the new camera features of the Pixel 9 series, Google confirmed that Zoom Enhance is rolling out to the Pixel 8 Pro starting today. Despite some skepticism and speculation that Google might have abandoned the feature, it's finally making its debut. Check out this video by Melesabov Tech on X to see Zoom Enhance in action on the Pixel 9 Pro. Zoom Enhance uses generative AI to enhance and refine details in your zoomed-in photos. Google Photos will handle this process in the cloud, which raises questions about why it's not available for the regular Pixel 8 and Pixel 9, as it doesn't seem tied to the telephoto sensor. If you're not seeing Zoom Enhance on your Pixel 8 Pro just yet, even if you're on the latest Android 15 Beta 4.2, it's likely due to a server-side rollout. Be patient, it might take some time to reach your device. Once available, you'll find it in the Tools tab of the Google Photos editing suite. While Google hasn't explained the delay, if you bought the Pixel 8 Pro with Zoom Enhance in mind, the feature is finally on its way. Stay tuned for updates and let us know if you've spotted Zoom Enhance on your device.